Bro, it's awesome,
bro. I love it because it has these sick lights that'll light up your whole life and your whole room, probably.
Okay, tell me more about it.
Bro, it has this Bluetooth functionality. You can connect to whatever you want, multiple devices. It has a USB port and an auxiliary port and a microphone port. You can connect to karaoke machine.
Bro.
And it has this sick antenna and this remote,
That's
bro.
so sick.
You can light up your whole life, man. Actually,
Yes, sir.
my partners and I at DINDIN are teaming up and giving away 100 of these speakers for free. All you have to do is follow the instructions below.
Okay.
And if you weren't the ones that were able to get it out of the initial 100, you can just use the code down below and get 30% off. And you can light up your life.
You want to get it?
Get it?